Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Denticon account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in www.planetdds.com and press enter on a keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Denticon, go to the right hand side of the screen and you'll be able to see several options. Click on Client Login and then click the Denticon Login button. And in the login area, provide your username followed by your password. If you don't remember your username, you can click on I can't access my account and follow the instructions. On the next field, type in your password. If you don't remember your password, you can click on I can access my account again and follow the instructions again. After filling in your credentials, click on the login button and you'll be able to log into your Denticon account right away. That is how you can easily log into your Denticon account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.